soft and delicate lemon yogurt cake drizzled.
Serve with a dollop of yogurt and coffee. Welcome to Recipes by Karina, where I share with you how to make classic and simply delicious food. Make sure to follow my page or subscribe for new recipes. Start with the wet ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, measure out the white sugar and crack in the 3 eggs. Using a whisk or a hand mixer, beat the eggs and sugar together for 3 to 4 minutes or until super light and fluffy. You want it to get to the ribbon stage, which is when the mixture forms ribbons on the surface rather than disappearing straight away. If you'd like the full recipe for this lemon syrup cake, it'll be on my website as well as the full measurements listed in the description box below. To the eggs and sugar, add the zest of 2 lemons. I'm using a microplane, which makes the job so much quicker and easier than a larger grater. We'll also need the juice of 1 lemon, which works out to be a few tablespoons worth. Add these to the mixing bowl and give it a good stir. Next, for wet ingredients, we'll need half a cup of oil. Use a neutral oil like canola, sunflower or vegetable, as these have little to no flavour. Using an oil like olive oil can add a very strong flavour to the finished cake. Pour in the yogurt. I've got unsweetened Greek yogurt here, but you could also use natural yogurt, sour cream or even buttermilk. Use whatever you have on hand. Combine all of the wet ingredients together well before we add the dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we'll need plain all-purpose flour, baking powder and a good pinch of salt. Fold the lemon yogurt cake batter together until just combined. Be really careful not to overmix here. Pour the batter into a lined and greased 8-inch or 20cm cake pan. Place into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until golden brown and a cake tester comes out clean in the thickest part of the cake. While the cake is baking in the oven, make the lemon syrup. In a small saucepan, add the sugar and fresh lemon juice. This is 1/3 of a cup, which is about 2 to 3 medium-sized lemons. Heat over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar has dissolved. Remove the cake from the oven and while it's still hot, use a skewer to prick holes all over the cake. Pour the hot lemon syrup over slowly, giving it time to absorb before pouring more. Leave the cake to cool completely in the pan before serving. Slice and serve with a dollop of yogurt. I hope you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.